Collective LLC Review, Usage Experience. Links to Collective LLC are in the description if you want to check it out. Collective is an all-in-one financial platform designed specifically for freelancers, consultants, and small business owners who want to structure their business as an LLC with S-Corp tax benefits. It handles business formation, bookkeeping, accounting, tax filing, and compliance, saving users time and effort. One of its biggest advantages is tax optimization, helping solopreneurs reduce self-employment taxes legally. The platform provides a dedicated team of CPAs, tax experts, and bookkeepers who manage financials year-round, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations. It's best for self-employed individuals earning over $80K annually, as that's when S-Corp tax savings become significant. The onboarding process is smooth, with Collective handling LLC formation, EIN registration, and S-Corp election if needed. Their bookkeeping dashboard keeps finances organized, and users receive proactive tax planning, so there are no surprises during tax season. The biggest downside is the cost. It's a premium service, making it less suitable for those earning under the recommended threshold. Also, it currently supports only US-based businesses. However, if tax savings, compliance, and financial automation are priorities, Collective can be a game changer. Overall, it's an ideal solution for high-earning solopreneurs who want to maximize tax efficiency while offloading financial admin tasks. If that fits your needs, check the links in the description.